Hello and welcome at Exprime TV. We are honored to have here at FIAR 2014 representatives of an important consultancy and software company, NTT Data. And our guests are Mr. Dominik LORENZ, Vice President Financial Services Insurance from NTT Data Deutschland, together with Mr. Andrzej WOLSKI, Business Development Manager Europe from NTT Data Insurance Systems. So, first question, tell us a few words about NTT, about NTT Group and your main interest.
Okay, thank you very much for inviting us. So, some words about NTT Group and NTT Data. So NTT Group is a big holding concerning, on the one hand side, telecommunications business. It's the #1 telco business all over the world, bigger than Vodafone or, for example, the Deutsche Telekom. On the other hand side, we have the consulting business, the IT consulting business, system integration, also application management business, which is more or less focused under the roof of NTT Data. So altogether, we have revenues about 130 billion euro, and the all over employees in the NTT Group are 225,000 people.
So you came here in Romania at the International Insurance Reinsurance Forum here at Brașov. This means you are interested in this part of Europe. I also know you have also a company here in Romania, EBS. What can you tell us about your interest in this area?
I think there are two main points. We bought a new company in Romania concerning about system integration, consulting, and also application management. It's specialized for nearshore business. And the main technologies are SAP, Java-based system, and also we have this kind of Microsoft business. So we are very proud because it's a growing company. It's located, the headquarters in Cluj, Romania, and we have different other Romanian cities like Bucharest or also the one Brașov here in town. But this is not the only reason why we are going to Romania. The second reason is that we also want to push our product business, especially with the products from NDFS. These are the core insurance product of the NTT Data overall family. And maybe Mr. Andrzej WOLSKI can say something about the products from NDFS.
Yes, so thank you, Dominik. As you heard from Dominik, NTT Data is quite a huge organization. It consists of different companies. I come from the company which is called NTT Data in Insurance Systems. So what we do, we build, develop, and deliver insurance and reinsurance solutions, core applications for insurance and reinsurance companies. So we have in our product suite, we have 3 lines, product lines. One is for property and casualty insurers. The product is called First Gen. Then we have First Life, which is a solution for life insurers. And of course, we have a quite strong solution for the reinsurers, which is called First Re. So all those systems, they are Java-based. And they serve all the needs of insurers and reinsurers through the whole insurance cycle. So from the quote all the way to the through claims, reinsurance, all the way to the billing.
And what are the main strong points of your products dedicated to insurance reinsurance industry? In comparing with other competitors or with other software or solutions that the companies are using?
Well, first of all, our solution, all our solutions are mature systems. So the inception of all the systems dates back to 1980s. But in the meantime, all the solutions they evolved from the previous, let's say, standard software standards, and now it is in the it is all of them. They are written in Java, which is modern, which gives you a possibility to utilize a lot of features, be very flexible, and easily customizable, and have a possibility to implement the solutions without any major problems.
Are you planning in the near future solutions, a product dedicated to insurance brokers?
To a certain extent, we cover this sector. However, right now our focus is for insurance companies, so typical property and casualty insurers and reinsurance companies. Of course, we have also a solution for life, and to a certain extent, those systems, they cover TPA's needs. But as I said, the main focus is the insurance sector. They are our primary focus.
Can you mention us a few challenges that insurance companies or reinsurance companies are facing those days or in the near future that your products can easily solve or help them solving them?
Well, I think Dominik will add some points from his side, but from my point of view, the most critical things are time to market of the products. So our solutions help insurers to implement and roll out new insurance products very quickly. We are also able to provide all kind of business intelligence related to it. So the reporting parts of the system are very strong. Another thing is the modern technology, which is extremely important in this case, and of course, what else? It could be.
So if everyone can add something, very important thing is that you can plug in a workflow system for all your employees with this system, and it's a modular system, so it consists of modules. They are all combined on the same IT platform. So this is the most sexiest thing. You can build up insurance system state of the art with so-called SOA technology. Another thing I want to add is that this system is also multi-currency, multilingual, and it's usable for a lot of people. That's it has been told that we can also go for tier 1 companies like Allianz Group, but also for smaller companies, and we offer for small companies a special service that we call insurance as a service. So this is a software as a service solution. If you don't want to buy the whole thing, with everything, the claim side, the underwriting side, the general ledger side, you can go also for software as a services, or for example with a web shop for micro insurance products. So there are a lot of opportunities to do this, and we have the experience from more than over 30 years with a really brand new IT architecture based on Java, Oracle. So that's really a big advantage. I don't know another system or in the market who is doing like this.
Yes, as Dominik mentioned, the solutions are completely independent of the databases and other additional software. So we can basically integrate it and put it on every platform which are used by the companies. Another thing is the modularity of the solution. So we can integrate. We can either implement the whole thing, the whole package, or we can implement particular modules, depending on the needs of the company, which makes the solution really flexible. And another thing is that we are positioning entity data as a one-stop shop. So within the company, there are a lot of business entities which provide different solutions, which we can integrate, couple, and offer this to our customers. One example is workflow, DMS, BPM solutions combined with our core insurance applications as a package.
So if I can add something like that, mostly the clients decide for NTT data because of the combination of insurance know-how, deep insurance know-how about deep insurance projects, like the underwriting processes, the claims processes, alternative risk transfer processes, or Solvency II processes on the one hand side, and then we have on the other hand side the deep IT knowledge, because we are also partnering with big companies for like IBM, like Microsoft, like Oracle, so we have a global partnership on this level. So this is the reason the clients choose for NTT data, the combination between deep insurance know-how, the product, and our IT know-how. Thank you.
What are your expectations from Romanian market, Romanian insurance market, during the next year? What is your target regarding Romanian market?
So I think the target for the Romanian market for us in the first step is a big investment. The EBS company that we bought, and now we have to go step by step further on, but it's a step-by-step approach. It's not a big bang approach, it's a step-by-step approach, because as we saw in the Romanian market, you have very high claims ratio. This is always an indicator for there's a lot of business to do for consultancy companies, and we will grow this further on step by step.
I think from our perspective, the whole region, CE region, is also quite interesting. We have developed a so-called software as a service concept. Now it is being positioned on the American market in the US. Now we are thinking of a little bit rebuilding or upgrading this concept and position it in order to position it in this part of the world. So CE and Romania might become, especially Romania, might become a pilot for this kind of approach. So we had already some discussions with during FIAR, and in cooperation with, of course, NTT Data Germany plus a Romanian entity, we are thinking of offering such SaaS model to certain insurance companies here in Romania.
In order to conclude, what is your message to our viewers from Romania for the CE countries you're addressing? Your message you want to transmit.
Well, if I want to take three takeaways, the conclusion is you have the experience of a global company combined with the local look and feel and the local people at Bucharest, at Cluj, at Brasov, in town. So you can go for all the experience we have with the big companies like Munich Re, like Tokyo Marine, like the Generali Group, like Allianz, combining this in Romania directly. Number two is we are a mature company, we are a very solid company, we are long on the market, we are not something like a startup or something that's going up and down or something rising all the time. So we are one of the top 5 consultancy companies in the world, so that's very mature. And last but not least, we have the right people. Point.
Yes, so we are from our perspective, as I mentioned, Europe is one of the key markets for our company, and the CE region seems to be one of the rising opportunities for us as well. So we kind of treat this region very seriously, and to prove this is our presence here during FIAR. We are very glad to be here. We got a lot of good feedback from the participants and established quite nice contacts. So we look forward to doing something together with the insurance companies in Romania and in the neighborhood.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dominik LORENZ, Mr. Andrzej WOLSKI. It was really a pleasure to have you here at Extreme TV.
Also, thank you much from our side, and also thank you much for the Extreme guys.